Hello, everyone. Today, I came with the top 20 AI tools you need to learn to shape up your career in the software industry. In this video, we'll explore the top 20 AI tools and delve into their myriad applications that are shaping our world. Number 1. TensorFlow. TensorFlow, an open-source deep learning framework, finds extensive use in developing and training neural network models for various AI applications like image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and more. Number 2. PyTorch. PyTorch is a popular deep learning framework known for its dynamic computation graph and ease of use. It's widely utilized in research, academia, and industry for developing AI applications. Number 3. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a versatile machine learning library in Python used for data analysis, classification, regression, clustering, and more. It's a fundamental tool for both beginners and experienced data scientists. Number 4. Keras. Keras is an easy-to-use deep learning framework that acts as an interface for TensorFlow, CNTK, and Theano. It's perfect for fast experimentation and prototyping of neural networks. Number 5. IBM Watson. IBM Watson offers AI-powered solutions for natural language processing, sentiment analysis, chatbots, and more, making it a pivotal tool for businesses aiming to enhance customer experiences and streamline operations. Number 6. Microsoft Azure AI. Microsoft Azure AI provides a suite of AI tools and services, including machine learning, computer vision, and natural language processing, empowering businesses to develop intelligent applications. Number 7. Amazon AI. Amazon AI offers a comprehensive set of AI services like Amazon Polly for text-to-speech, Amazon Recognition for image and video analysis, and Amazon Lex for building conversational interfaces. Number 8. Google AI Platform. Google AI Platform facilitates model development, training, and deployment at scale. It's a cloud-based service that supports TensorFlow and Scikit-learn, among others. Number 9. H2O.ai. H2O.ai is an open-source platform for machine learning and AI that provides fast and scalable solutions for predictive modeling and data analysis. Number 10. OpenAI ChatGPT. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a powerful language generation model used for various applications like chatbots, content creation, language translation, and more. Number 11. NLTK. Natural Language Toolkit. NLTK is a Python library for natural language processing and provides tools for tokenization, stemming, tagging, parsing, and semantic reasoning. Number 12. Tableau. Tableau utilizes AI for data visualization and analytics, helping businesses gain valuable insights and make data-driven decisions. Number 13. IBM Watson Studio. IBM Watson Studio is an integrated environment for data scientists and developers to build, train, and deploy AI models, making AI accessible to everyone. Number 14. Caffe. Caffe is an open-source deep learning framework primarily used for image classification and segmentation, widely adopted in academic research and industry. Number 15. RapidMiner. RapidMiner is a data science platform that provides an integrated environment for data preparation, machine learning, deep learning, and more, aiding in predictive analytics. Number 16, Orange. Orange is an open-source data visualization and analysis tool that employs AI for machine learning and data mining tasks. Number 17, Theano. Theano is an open-source numerical computation library that's popular for deep learning applications, enabling efficient mathematical expression evaluation. Number 18, IBM Watson Natural Language Understanding. IBM Watson Natural Language Understanding analyzes text to extract entities, concepts, emotions, and sentiment, providing valuable insights for businesses. Number 19, BigML. BigML is a machine learning platform that allows organizations to build, evaluate, and deploy machine learning models for various. Number 20, Lexalytics. Lexalytics specializes in text analytics and sentiment analysis, helping businesses understand customer opinions and trends in text-based data. These top 20 AI tools represent the cutting edge of AI technology and are instrumental in driving innovations across various domains. Whether you're a seasoned data scientist or a business aiming to integrate AI into your operations, these tools offer a vast array of capabilities to help you succeed in the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned for more exciting developments on this AI-powered journey. I hope you like this collection of AI tools. If this helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Thank you.